Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to automatically empty trash on MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So whenever you move a file into your Mac to the trash, it stays there until you manually right-click the trash icon and select empty trash. But what if you want to automatically empty your trash? It's very simple. First of all, you can click on the up left corner on your MacBook screen on the Apple icon in here. Select on About This Mac. And from here, you can go to Storage. Select on Storage. Here's our MacBook Air storage. Now you can select on Manage. And you'll find there is an option Empty Trash Automatically. Save space by automatically erasing items that have been in the trash for more than 30 days. You can turn on by tap on the option in here. Now, item left in the trash for more than 30 days will be automatically erased. You can change this setting later in the Finder Preferences. Now you can select on Turn On. So it's complete. You have turned on the empty trash automatically on your MacBook. So this trash on your MacBook will be automatically delete, automatically empty after 30 days. It's very simple, right? So that is how to automatically empty trash on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!